So, moving on with question number 11, ACET June 2023. So here we have our question, that is we are given a function. So let this function is y, okay, is equals to x e to the power x. Now we are given the table for the different values of x, the corresponding values of fx, or let's say y, right? That is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay. Now, so we have to find out the approximate value of the integral by the trapezoid rule. So first let us write down the trapezoid rule, that is 0 to 1 fx dx is equals to h by 2 y0 plus y5 plus y1 plus y2 plus dot 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 plus y4, right? We have 2 here also. So this is the trapezoid rule. Now let us put the values here from the table. So this is equals to 0.25 by 2, right? Y0 is this, so that is 0. That's the last number, that is 2.7828 plus twice of the summation of this, right? So that is 0.3210 plus 0.8244 plus 1.5878, right? So basically if we solve this, that is this plus this twice of this, that is equals to 1.03115. That is our option D. So basically all you need to know is the trapezium rule. Okay, so let me clear this space for us to solve the next question, that is 12. So next question is limit, right? So there is a limit given, that is limit x tends to 5 e to the power x minus e to the power 5 by x minus 5. Okay. Now, so here obviously if we take x equals to 5, then this will be undefined, so we cannot go for that. So let y is equals to x minus 5, right? That is, as x tends to 5, so y tends to 0. So we can write down limit y tends to 0 e to the power, what is x? X is y plus 5 minus e to the power 5 by x, x minus 5 is y. So, okay, let us write it down more clearly. So y tends to 0, that is limit y tends to 0, we have e to the power y plus 5 minus e to the power 5 by x minus 5 becomes y. Okay. Now this we can write down, so this is e to the power 5. Okay, that is what I'm talking about, is e to the power 5 into e to the power y into e to the power 5 minus e to the power 5 by y, right? And we have our limit y tends to 0. Now let us take e to the power 5 as common, then limit of y tends to 0, that is we have e to the power y minus 1 by y, right? So this is very clear here, that is by using L'Hospital's rule here, let us use L'Hospital's rule, right? Then the answer will be e to the power 5 into 1, right? By using L'Hospital's rule, this is 1, this is e to the power 5, so this is our answer, and that is A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Right. Again, let's clear the space for us to solve question number 13. Question number 13 में क्या है, हमें डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, right? That is dy by dx. That is what we have to solve. So first let us write down, we are given y is equals to e to the power x cube minus of half log x. So that is in power, okay, x to the power, and we have to find out dy by dx is how. So clearly we have to apply chain rule here, okay? So let's see how we can solve it. Right. So dy by dx is equals to, so first of all the derivative of exponent is as it is, that is e to the power x cube minus half log ex, right? Now we have to take the chain rule, that is derivative of the power, that is x cube minus half of this will become 3x square minus 1 by 2x, because log x is 1 by x, right? Okay, now so this is basically the derivative, but we have to simplify in order to match the option, right? Let us simplify. How can we write down? This is e to the power x cube, let it be, minus the power is in minus, and it, so we can write down into e to the power minus half log x, right? And we have 3x square minus 1 by 2x. Okay, now since this is negative power, so we can write down the reciprocal of it, that is, okay, since I don't have space, I will just rub it off and write it down here itself, right? So that is, this term we can write down 1 by e to the power half log of ex. Now e to the power half log of this is basically nothing but the value is what? Half of x, which is x to the power half, that means root x, right? So this is our answer, that is e to the power x cube into 1 by root x into 3x square minus 1 by 2x. Do we have the option? Yes, that is option B. Okay, next question, question number 14. Okay, so there is an interval, so we have to find out the interval, right? For the function fx, x cube e to the power minus is strictly increasing. Okay, so the range of the value of x, that is the interval, we have to find out the value of x that it must lie, so that fx is strictly increasing function. So let us find out. Now this we know, for strictly increasing function, the condition is if for any value of x, for fx, at every point, the first order derivative should be greater than 0. This is the condition for strictly increasing function. So that means for the given function, I have to first find out the derivative. So f dash x is equals to, let us go for UV rule. So this is 3x square e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power minus 2x into minus 2 into x cube, correct? Okay, now let us take the common terms. So what are the common terms? We have x square e to the power minus 2x, x square e to the power minus 2x. So x square e to the power minus 2x is common, right? Now, so we have 3, we have minus 2x. Okay, so this is our derivative term. So now I have to, when this is always positive, then only we will have strictly increasing function of x. So this will be always positive if the value of x is less than 3 by 2. Okay, that means from minus infinity to 3 by 2. So that is this option C, minus infinity to 3 by 2. Okay, next question is okay, so we have to find out definite integral, right? So we have to go for integration, put the values and calculate. Simple. So let's have a look, how can we solve it? Okay, so this can be written as 4 to 5, right? E to the power x log of e to the power 5, right, dx. Now let u is equals to x of log e to the power 5. Then obviously if we take the derivative, that is du by dx is equals to log of e to the power 5. So from here 5 exponential 5, right? So from here I need dx, that is dx is equals to du by log e5. Okay, that means we are going to put this value and this value in the integral part, right? So let us go from 4 to 5. So e to the power u, dx is du by this term. Done. So let us take the constant outside. So 1 by, this is outside, 4 to 5 e to the power u. So e to the power u, it says 1 by log of e5. Okay, sorry. Here, as we have changed this, so the integral will also change, right? So that is x u is equals to x log e5 5. So 4 of log e5 and 5 of log e5. That is the change in the integral values, right? So if we put these values here, we have 1 by log e, and here we have log u log, right? So yes, so this is 5 log 5 minus 4 log of 5. So if we solve this, that is we get 2500, and we have this in the denominator. That is, this is our answer. So A, option A is the correct answer.